When gods fall silent, the wolf rises.
In the frozen north, destiny awakens, where blood, snow, and ancient gods collide. His eyes see war before it comes, like the wolf that walks beside him.
Marked by Fenrir, cursed or blessed, he carries the rage of ancient beasts. They fear his silence more than swords, for wolves do not warn twice.
When war drums call, man and wolf answer with the same hunger. Each step forward leaves mercy behind. Only steel and survival remain. He smells fear on the wind, just like the beast at his side. Moments before death, silence screams louder than battle cries ever could.
He strikes first, like wolves do, fast, ruthless, and without regret.
Steel cuts flesh, fangs tear bone. War becomes their shared language.
The beast within awakens fully when blood warms frozen ground. The man fades away, and the wolf within rises to finish what war began. Mercy. When the moon claims the sky, the wolf commands.
Fear spreads through their ranks as hunter becomes judge, and escape dies in snow.
After war, silence belongs only to those still breathing. He stands unbeaten, crowned not by gold, but by survival.
No chains bind them, only instinct, loyalty, and shared fate.
His name drifts on winter winds, spoken softly by those who survive the night.
Remember this night, when man and wolf became one legend.